So this is the Sony MDR ex155ap noise cancellation earphones, and I got this from Amazon for 1099 and they come with a 1 year warranty. You already saw the unboxing, but something you might have missed was this small Sony hologram just to differentiate between the fake and the genuine one. So when I look at these earphones, the first thing that comes to my mind is how beautiful these earphones are. Each and every mold and cutout and finishing is just so perfect, and they definitely carry the impression that they are from a reputed brand called Sony. The earphones are made completely out of plastic, which makes them very lightweight. The one that I'm having is a white color. It comes with in this kind of a silver white combination, and the silver part is definitely not metal, it's some kind of a chrome finish. You get the Sony branding at the back of each earbuds, and these are neatly marked for left and the right earpiece. The earphones also come with an inline microphone with a single button. There is also a small cable managing clip, and at the end you get a small 3.5mm gold plated jack. The cable provided here is a rounded cable, so you will definitely come across some kind of tangling issues, and if I'm not wrong, Sony does not manufacture earphones with completely flat cables. Either they are rounded or oval in shape. Talking about the functionality, the button on the microphone can be used to end and receive calls, and if you are in any music player application, then you can single click to play and pause a song, double click to go to the next track, and triple click to come back to the previous track. So very standard features. So now talking about the comfort and practical use. So first of all, these earphones are very small, so they just go deep inside your ears, and if you're someone whose ears are too sensitive and you just feel pain while using earphones, then these are the ones that may prove to be very comfortable, because a very small plastic portion of the earphone is actually touching your ear. It's just the front part, the silicone tips, that are keeping these earphones in place. So I would say that these are very comfortable earphones to use. So the next important thing that I want to mention is regarding ear tips. So first of all, these ear tips are very good in hiding dust and wax, and they are completely flat from the front, so you can just clean them with a single wipe. And also the opening of the ear tips is very small. If I compare these ear tips to the ear tips from other earphone manufacturers, then you can see that the front part of the front opening is too big, so they just accumulate too much dust and wax. So a very small and innovative design, but very effective. So before moving ahead, let me just share a piece of information with you. So first we have the Sony EX series, which is the compact series and not the bass oriented one. You get three different models in EX series, which is the Sony EX 150ap, the Sony EX 155ap, which I am reviewing right now, and then the Sony EX 255ap. All the earphones in this series are going to have the same design and they have the same appearance. The only difference here is the driver size, but 150 and 155ap will have the same 9mm drivers, and the 255ap is going to have 12mm drivers, and the price starts from like 899 and goes all the way up to 15 or 1600 rupees. If you want the bass oriented earphones, then you should go for the XB series, like the Sony MDR XB50ap, XB55ap, which I'm already having, and then the Sony XB75ap. So all the earphones in this series is also going to have the same look and same appearance. The only difference is the driver size, but mostly in XB series you find a standard driver size of 12mm. The only difference is the only difference here is the audio quality. If you want much more higher variant, if you want to invest more, then you should go for the XBAS series, like the Sony XB510AS. So this is the basic naming system that you should know, and just be a little bit careful while purchasing Sony, because any earphone which has the initials AP written in front of it, it means they are coming with a microphone, and if you don't find that alphabet AP, it means it's not coming with a microphone. So just be careful when you are buying that. So now comes the most important part, which is the audio quality. So first of all, these earphones are not advertised as bass oriented earphones, but surprisingly the bass on these earphones exceeds my expectations. And if I compare them directly with JBL T210, which are advertised as pure bass earphones, then I would directly say that these earphones have a much better bass, or you can say much higher bass as compared to JBL T210. Overall, the audio quality is very rich. You are going to hear each and every beats, music, vocals, dialogues, everything very clearly, and even at maximum volume the earphones are able to retain a very good audio quality. Overall, the earphones have a very fairly decent sound, and if you are someone whose expectations are too high, you want more bass, more loudness, then you should just invest 1000 rupees more and get Sony MDR XP 55ap, which I already reviewed. But I think for most of the people, price at a price of rupees 1000. These are like very decent earphones, and you should definitely consider them buying over JBL T210. I'll definitely make some comparison videos of these earphones with some other earphones that I'm already having. And this was all about the Sony ex155ap. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe and help me reach 10,000 subscribers as soon as possible. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.